What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube, yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this famous French wine term that is used in the Bordeaux wine region in the southwest of France to designate some wines on the left bank. This is used in the Médoc, in particular on the left bank, to designate some wines that have been submitted for tasting to a committee, the committee of the Cru Bourgeois, and that have been designated as being of quite superior quality. Those are not the best wines that you'll find in Médoc. Those are going to be the ones classified in 1855. I made a video about the 1855 classification. If you want to learn more about this, I'll link to it at the end of this very video. But for now, let's say that the Cru Bourgeois wines are excellent value wines, generally of very good quality, consistent vintage after vintage, even though they're not the best in the area. So how do you say Cru Bourgeois? Well, Cru Bourgeois, the S at the end of bourgeois is not pronounced in French, it is silent, so do not say Cru Bourgeois, but rather Cru Bourgeois. Cru Bourgeois, les vins de Cru Bourgeois, Cru Bourgeois wines. I hope this video was useful. Here is a video about the 1855 classification where you can learn everything that you should know about it. I'll leave you to it and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, bye bye.